Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy, and I've got someone who is very hardworking. She has practiced a lot, has put in a lot of effort, and today she has got 8 each in PTE. I've got Pragya from Nepal. She has smashed her PTE exam, 8 each, 84 in writing, 84 in speaking, 84 in reading, and 79 in listening. 8 each, a very great score. We'll start off with this, Pragya. I know that you have taken few attempts before as well, right? And you were missing out by 2-3 points, and you were frustrated, right? What do you think was the difference this time as compared to your previous attempts, which helped you to get 8 each in PTE?
Previously, I just gave my exams and then I got 7. Then I got a little overconfident that I will get it. But it's not like that. You don't realize giving it so many times. So just practice before going. Even if it's your first time, just practice. And then this time I didn't mug up anything. I just took your tricks and tips and actually analyzed everything and then applied it. So I didn't have to mug up every answers or anything, like everything given. I just had to apply that technique and get the score in reading, because that was the first that I was struggling before. Yeah.
That's right, guys. So it's very important you understand the tricks and strategies. You don't really just mug them up. You have to understand how everything works, and then you will be able to do it better. And yes, practice is very important. Don't be overconfident that yes, I've got 7 each by myself, I'll get 8 each as well. You can, but again, you need to know a lot, because from 7 each to 8 each can be a big jump and it requires a lot of practice. Let's move on to your listening. One of the section you were really scared about. And this time you have got 8 in listening as well. What is the secret for listening? Because there are a lot of people out there who are struggling in listening. What do you think is the most important task for listening section?
I think it's repeat from the repeat the sentences, and write from dictation is really important, and even the lectures are important. So just practice everything and try to grab the keywords and then try repeating it. So practice is the key for that.
That's right, guys. So it's very important you practice your listening section, but remember this thing, as he said, that your repeat sentences and reader lectures which are from your speaking section are very important for your listening section. So don't really think that yes, I'm getting 90 in speaking, I don't really need to practice speaking. You have to practice speaking, because you might be doing perfect in speaking, but because of that you might be losing a lot of points in listening. So make sure you keep on practicing. Now finally talk about one of your strengths, speaking. You never got less than 85 in speaking. What do you think? Because there are few people out there, they are getting 8 in all the sections, but they're not getting in speaking. What do you think is the secret for your speaking section?
Just don't stop speaking. If you are like nervous or like you don't have any answers, just speak anything, just don't stop. Because the fluency, I think fluency counts a lot in speaking, but not in repeat the sentence or retail lecture. Dude said the right words for the listening sections, but for speaking only, just focus on the fluency.
That's right, guys. So you have to be fluent, and that is how you'll get your scores in speaking. But along with that, make sure your content is good as well, as he told that in repeat sentence and retail lecture you need a lot of keywords. Finally, at one point of time you were frustrated as well. You were like, I'll give up, I don't know if I'll get it or not. You have got it. There are a lot of people out there who are about to give up, who have already given up. Any piece of advice for them that how they should approach their exam?
Yeah, I have given these exams a lot of time, so just practice and then try giving it consistently. Just don't stop, just don't give up, just give it like one more time, you will get it one time. Yeah.
That's right, guys. So the secret lies in not giving up. You do not have to give up. Believe in yourself, practice. It's not like you're not practicing and then you go for the exam without practice. You'll never get it. Practice, give your 120% and you will get it for sure. Do not give up, believe in yourself and you'll be there. And that's it from this video, guys. We'll be back soon with another video. Thanks.